All right then, today we're going to be taking a look at Bitcoin. We've been watching Bitcoin and I've got to tell you, it's looking incredibly promising. It's really looking good. You can see right here, this is the Crypto-Quebec indicator. And as you can observe, we've actually managed to bounce off the middle of the Crypto-Quebec indicator. That's me, by the way, just in case you weren't already aware. So then, moving on with today's analysis, we're going to dive into Bitcoin, dissect it, perform a price prediction, and frankly, folks, it's looking incredibly good. Genuinely looking very, very good indeed. So regarding the Crypto-Quebec indicator, we've just experienced a rebound right off the middle of the channel. We've seen a change of character here, signifying the end of the bearish trend. We're pushing for a pullback to the indicator. We're pushing for a break of structure, breaking through the existing structure here, and then we push for a pullback to the 50% level of the initial move, or the vector. Why, you might ask? Well, that's precisely the profit-taking strategy in action. We push for that 50% retracement of the vector. Once we see a blue candle, there's a strong possibility of returning to the upside. And conversely, a pink candle suggests a return towards our previous low. It's rather like playing a game of Uno, you know? In other words, playing Uno, we're cycling back. We push forward, and we're still above the crucial line on Uno, which is frankly just absolutely amazing. When all of this is happening, you see the same pattern unfolding, just like my price prediction. Before I go and post this, I'm going to show you something about Uno. What exactly is going on with Uno? Right here, you're looking at the Asian market session. See that? And then we're in the white market. What exactly is the white market, you might be wondering? That is the European market. Germany, the UK, that kind of thing. France. And then over here, you'll see the red, like this. And that will represent the American market. This is actually the newest iteration of my indicator. This is the Crypto-Quebec 2.0.
That was the target at the time. We came down. We experienced a pullback. We came back up. We've completed the retracement of that entire wick. Right here, you can see there's a gap. We've come to fill that gap. We've bounced back, and we're pushing. Now, we're attempting to break through here. There will likely be a minor pullback. Why? Because when we arrived at this specific area, previously, on multiple occasions, it acted as resistance. Here, I'm going to measure the order block for you so you can fully grasp what I'm explaining. Pay close attention to the order block. What exactly is it? It's represented by these wicks in this region. It might be a bit extended. Look at them, right there. That's the order block. Every single time we've approached this particular zone, we've encountered resistance, 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 testing, testing. We're pushing forward.